So NSF is a program that Pepperdine does for first-year students. It's kind of paired with the first-year seminar. So incoming freshmen who choose biology as something they're really interested in, you're put into a program and it helps first-year students do research on their own and helps give them grants so they can fund it.
I received one of these grants last summer and I worked on crayfish and their ability to recognize one another and how that affects their aggression levels.
It comes with a lot of perks. We had a lot of funding, a lot of money for supplies, a couple of units covered. It was a great experience.
I'll be one of very few undergraduate students presenting at one of the biggest ecological talks in all of America, ESA.
As a freshman, it can be a little scary and intimidating, so it was really nice having something to help us get going and figure out what we're doing and get a really solid start in research. So it is a tremendous value to be able to do as an undergraduate. Not very many undergrads really get to do this level of research that we're doing, and so being able to start even as a freshman, to start this level of research really gives you a good step up in the graduate world. I know that I want to go from this to a PhD, which is a really hard step. So having research and having all this experience really helps me apply to these graduate programs. And I know when I go to these conferences with Dr. Katz in the library, I'm able to have full conversations with other professors and other researchers because I'm doing all of this research at such a young stage.